Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to our cooking channel. Today we have a delightful recipe that will tantalize your taste buds. Get ready for a mouthwatering treat. We're going to make sweet and spicy pineapple chicken stir-fry. Let's get started. But before we begin, let's go through the ingredients you'll need for this flavorful dish. For the sweet and spicy pineapple chicken stir-fry, gather these ingredients. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, thinly sliced. 1 cup pineapple chunks. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons honey. 1 tablespoon sriracha sauce. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Now that we have everything ready, let's head to the stove and start cooking. Step 1. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the thinly sliced chicken breast to the pan and season it with salt and pepper. 2. Stir-fry for about 5 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and nicely browned. Step 3. Next, add the minced garlic and sliced onions to the pan. Stir-fry for an additional 2 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Now, it's time to add the sliced bell peppers. 4. Stir-fry them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender, crisp and vibrant in color. Step 5. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, honey, and sriracha sauce. Pour the sauce mixture into the skillet. Step 6. Toss in the pineapple chunks and give everything a good stir. Allow the sauce to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, coating all the ingredients evenly. Step 7. Once the sauce has thickened and everything is well combined, remove the pan from the heat. And there you have it, our sweet and spicy pineapple chicken stir-fry is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it over a bed of steamed rice or noodles, and garnish with some fresh cilantro or sesame seeds for an extra touch. I hope you give this recipe a try. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for joining us today on our cooking adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious dishes. Until next time, happy cooking!